여러분 안녕하세요. 한국어 재미있어요? 자, before we move on to our lesson 2, let me teach you one Korean slang, which is 꿀잼. 꿀잼. Have you heard of this? 꿀 means honey, and 잼 came from this 재미있다. So when you see something really fun, people say, 꿀잼이다. It is 꿀잼. It's a noun. Honey, like super funny thing. Okay, I hope you find my videos and learning Korean 꿀잼. So let's get started our lesson 2. Our first word is 가깝다, to be close. It is a b irregular word, so it b sound changes to u before a. So 가까워요, 가까워서, something like this. Its noun modifying form is 가까운, 가까운 집, close house, 가까운 친구, close friends. 집이 학교에서 가까워요. So my house is close to school. 나하고, so with me, 가까운 친구들은, close friends, 다 제 고향에 살고 있어요. All my hometown 살고 있어요. So they are all living in my hometown. Its opposite word is 멀다, 그렇죠? 멀다, 멀어요, to be far. So we can check 멀다 at lesson 23. 굉장히, 굉장하다. 굉장하다 is an adjective and 굉장히 is an adverb form. So very or extremely. 굉장하다 is simply to be amazing or to be magnificent. 저 영화는, that movie, 굉장히 재미있어요. So we know lots of emphasizing words like 아주, 참, 너무, those kind of words. I know many students like to use 너무, but don't use 너무 too much. Try to mix them. 참, 아주, 굉장히. 굉장히 is a very extreme word. So you really like it, you can say 굉장히. 1980년대 그러면 80s 그렇죠? 마이클 잭슨의 인기는 정말 굉장했어요. 인기는 popularity에서 마이클 잭슨 was really extremely popular during 1980s 그렇죠? Okay, synonyms 아주, very, 매우. This is also an emphasizing word, very, that kind of meaning. And in the adverb, 대단히, 굉장히 is already here. 굉장히, 대단히, they are similar words too. Okay, our next word is 나이. 나이 is age. 나이가 많아요. 나이가 적어요. So 나이가 많다. 그럼 I have lots of age, so which means to be old. 나이가 적다, or you can simply say 어리다 해도 돼요. 어리다, so young. 나이가 어떻게 되세요? So how old are you? 몇 살이에요? Sounds very direct. So 나이가 어떻게 되세요? Actually, 나이가 어떻게 되세요 is also very direct. But Korean, Korean people like to ask each other's age, right? Do you know why? Because, there is a like social hierarchy depending on the age differences. So Koreans are really sensitive to this age difference. 저는 20살이에요. or 저는 나이가 20살이에요. Either way is fine. 살, this is a counter for age. Only for age, so you don't really have to say 나이가 part. But some people like to say 나이가 20살이에요. For talking about seniors' age, honorific word for 나이 is 연세, 그렇죠? 연세. So 연세가 어떻게 되세요? When you want to ask, old person's age, you should use 연세. 닮다, you read this way, 닮다. And when you conjugate this, 닮아요, 닮았어요, that way. But when you read this, you should read 닮다. Resemble, to take after, to look alike. 닮은. So now modifying form is this. 닮은 사람, looking alike person. 저는 엄마를 닮았어요. This should be used in the past tense form. It's not past tense, but it's current state, right? But you are resembling your mom ever since you were born, right? So we use this result form, which looks like a past tense form. 닮았어요. 그렇죠. 어제 저는 yesterday 제가 좋아하는 배우 actor actress 제가 좋아하는 배우를 닮은 사람 So similar person, looking alike person을 봤어요. So I saw a person who looks like my favorite actor or actress. Okay, so I explained this here note that this is a verb and the resultative form 닮았다. So it's not actually past, but it's a kind of, resultative form. You were born, resembling your mom and you are maintaining that state. 그렇죠? 예. So 저는 엄마를 닮아요 sounds a little, unnatural. 저는 엄마를 닮았어요. Because you are already, resembling your mom. 돕다, to help. 어요 form is 도와요. 그렇죠? But generally we use this word in this form. 도와주다 그러죠. 주다 means to give, but if you use 주다 with other verb like this, 도와주다, it's just a one word. To do this action for someone, so to help someone. 도와드리다, it's like humble form. When you help someone who is older than you are, then you can use this 도와드리다 그러죠. 저는 어머니가 요리하는 것을 도와드렸어요. If this is your friend, then 저는 친구가 요리하는 것을 도와주었어요. 그러죠? 예. 도와주세요. So please help me. That kind of meaning. And its noun form is 도움. 그래요? 도움. 저는 도움이 필요해요. So I need someone's help. 저는 도움이 필요해요. You can say that way. 마르다. to dry up. 그랬죠? 예. 오늘은 바람이 불어서 빨래가 잘 마를 거예요. 마를 거예요. So it will dry well. Its 어요 form is 말라요. 그렇죠? 말라요. 빨래가 잘 말라요. 이렇게 이야기를 하죠. So yeah, this first meaning is to dry up. Second meaning is to be skinny. 이렇게 할 수 있어요. So when somebody is really skinny, then 저 친구는 너무 말랐어요. she is so dried가 아니고 it's not dried but very skinny. skinny. Related words like 말리다 그러면 subject should be a person. So 말리다 to dry something. Someone dries something. 그렇죠. 저는 빨래를 말려요. So I dry laundry. 저는 빨래를 말려요. 그렇죠. 예. 면도 means shaving. 면도하다 to shave. 면도기 그러면은 쉐이빙 머신인데 레이저 면도기 그렇죠. 노아는 아침에 면도를 해서 오후가 되면 수염이 또 자라요. 자라다 to grow 그렇죠. 노아는 아침에 면도를 해도 even though he shaves in the morning, by afternoon his facial hair grows back 그렇죠. 그래서 수염은요. 수염 means facial hair. There are different types of 수염. 턱 수염. 턱 means jaw or chin. So 턱 수염 means facial hair on your jaws or chin. 턱 수염은 beard. 콧 수염. 코 means nose. 코 수염인데 we put this to make this word. 콧 수염. 콧 수염 means facial hair under your nose. 콧 수염 mustache. 그렇죠? And 바다 means sea or ocean. 가 means side 그래요. 그래서 바닷가 seaside or beach. Do you know the word river? River means 강. And the riverside is 강가 그래요. 강가. So you can see this 가, in other words too. 이 바다 밑에는 under the sea 예쁜 물고기들이 많이 있어요. So there are beautiful fish under the sea. related words 산, mountain, 강, river, 호수, lake 그렇죠? 예. You can say 호숫가 to refer to lakeside. And then number 9 별 그렇죠? 별, star. 오늘은 하늘이 맑아서 Today's sky is clear. 별이 많이 보여요. 보이다, to be seen. Many stars are seen. So I can see many stars. 그렇죠? 비슷하다, 비슷하다. You read this way. To be similar, 뭐 to be alike. 저하고 제 남동생은 키가 비슷해요. 키 means height. So our heights are similar. So me and my younger brother heights are similar. 그렇죠? 저는 어머니하고 비슷한 성격이에요. 비슷하다, 비슷한. Noun modifying form is like this. So me and my mom similar personalities. 그렇죠? related word 같다라는 말 같다 to be same 똑같다 to be exactly same 그렇죠? 비슷하다는 not exactly same but kind of similar 그렇죠? 자 여러분 오늘은 여기까지 감사합니다.